So this is the dress I'm going to convert into my Indian outfit. So this is one piece dress, it's up to knee. So it's a sleeveless dress. I'm going to convert this one into my Indian outfit. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with the neck. Here is the patchwork. So I'm going to use this patchwork right here onto the neck area. So I'm going to go with this. What I'm going to do is, you can glue it, it's so totally up to you, but I'm going to use I'm getting the needle and thread. What I'm going to do is just getting the thread out. I'm going to start with the patchwork. I'm going to add this patchwork right here onto the neck and over here as well. So we'll start with the neck first. So I will see how much I need. This dress is just sitting there from last 5 years. I'm not gonna wear it again, I think. So I'm gonna change it into my Indian outfit. So I'm thinking like that. Yeah, that will be the perfect. So I'm getting the same color thread, the green one, which one is in the dress. So I'm using this. And so what you are going to do is make one side longer like that and tying a knot just like that. Make a loop like this and tie it like that. So I'm going to start from here and I will just measure how much I need. Alright, like that. And how much I need, I'm just stretching out the fabric so that I can cut it out. That's it. Yep. So I'm gonna cut this one out up to here. So I'm going to start sewing this one. I'm gonna go from this way, start from here on the top and going it under so that it won't be visible from the top. Going it like that. Okay. Just doing it. Just do a kacha tanka. That's what we say in Punjabi. Just like that. So this part is done. This is how it will look like. Just like that, the next one part. So I'm going to do it the same on the other side and on the sleeves as well. So let's do it. So the neck part is done and it looks like that now. So I'm going to do the sleeves as well. Part is done and I'm gonna do it on the back as well. So this part is done as well and this is how it looks like. I'm really hoping it will look so good. And this is how it looks like. It turned out so good, guys. So I paired up with the pajama. I had it before with one suit. This one. And here is the final look. I hope you like my video. If you do, then please like and subscribe to my channel. And in the comment section below, let me know. I will do more these kind of videos if you want. Thank you. Bye.